If you are looking to register an event through our member portal, then please follow along to this tutorial. Let's say you've taken a look at our events calendar and would like to attend the upcoming open house at One Berkshire. What you're going to do is you're going to click the event and it'll pop up this window where you'll have two options: view event details or register event. For this example, we're going to be registering for the event. And this will take you to the registration page. At the top, if you are not already logged in, it suggests logging in for a more streamlined registration. So you're going to hit the login button at the top right-hand corner. Fill in your login credentials to the member portal, your username and password. It will then take me back to the registration page. And because I've successfully logged in up here, it has filled out all the necessary information. So the organization name, the first and last name, the email, and then the additional information. I'm going to continue to the next page. Since this event is free and I am only looking to register myself, I'm going to add one item to this page. And it will pop up as $0 since this event is free. Then I'm going to continue to the attendees page. This page is to indicate who the attendee is if they are different from the person registering them. This is good if you are one person of the organization that has the portal login and they are registering multiple people for the same event. In this example, the registration person is the same as the attendee, so we're going to keep all of this information the same. If you were going to change it, you could go through the drop-down menu and upload a different person's profile if need be, and it would upload that information. But we're going to continue with this attendee information. Then you're going to continue to the last page, which is the payment page. Now, since this event is free, it says $0, so no payment information is needed. If there was a cost for this event, then it would ask for you to upload your payment information. Now I'm going to submit registration. And it'll take me to my confirmation page where I have successfully registered for the event, and it provides me a receipt if any payment was incurred. So that is how you register an event through the member portal.